Hello, my name is Marcus and I blow glass. Welcome to the video. This is a giveaway announcement, so thanks for being here. I thought it'd be kind of cool if for my next demo tutorial that I'll be posting soon, I'll give away the piece on this channel to anybody who's subscribed to the YouTube. So the demonstration will be for this double-sided bouquet flower little cup. It's like a shot glass, I guess you could call it, but you could drink anything out of it. It's gonna be a really cool demo. I've been working on it for like a month here, and I'm really excited to have it posted and done so I can show you guys. But to do the giveaway for this piece, I figured I'd do it a bit differently this time because I've done a giveaway before on this channel and I couldn't actually get a hold of the person who won. I tagged him in the video and everything, but he never got back. So actually, hey, if you're seeing this and you still want it, I'll send it to you. Just get a hold of me, and I don't even know how. Maybe message me on Instagram. But so this doesn't happen again. What we're gonna do this time is have it so that anybody who wants to be entered has to be signed up on my Patreon. Now, it'll be free. You don't have to pay to sign up. You just go over to Patreon, log in, create an account, and just follow me there. That's it. And then when I post the tutorial video, what I'll do is I'll just have folks write in the comment section what their name is on Patreon. And then when I do the draw, I'll just message that person and they can, send me their information, and then I can send them the piece and it'll be easy. Yeah, so that's kind of it. That's kind of all this video is. Also, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Maybe in the comments below, you could tell me what kind of demonstrations you might want to see in the future. Yeah, I don't know. Here's some more shots of the piece I'll be giving away. Man, this demonstration has taken a while to put together. I thought it was going to take maybe 2 weeks max to film and edit, but it's actually been closer to a month, and well over like 80 hours of time has gone into it. So my bad for not posting as much, but hopefully this kind of tides you over in the meantime, and I'm still alive, I'm still doing the thing, and I'm still very grateful that you're here. So like, subscribe, tell me what you want to see next, and thanks. Happy melting. Ciao for now.